Hello there, welcome back. So today I have a 2007 Nissan Quest. It's a 3.5S. So I want to show you how to make the connection on your alternator. So in case your alternator wire harness get damaged, I want to show you how to make the connection. So right here, these are the wires that go to the alternator. So what happens, someone was trying to, I don't know what maybe they get the connection damaged, the harness, so you have to run back these wire. So this is the alternator right down there, and that's, so right here as you can see the black wire. Let me show you what I remove. So this one, you see that the regulator get damage on it. So this is how it's set in the vehicle. So you can see right here you have a S and have a L. So I'm going to show you the one that go to the S. I'm put the alternator right here. So this is the S right here, the black wire that I run inside. So looking at the alternator from this end, you want to notice the black wire go to the S side, come all the way up to this yellow. So it's a yellow wire with a black stripe on it. You can see right there, guys, yellow with black stripe. So that one go to the S side, and that go to the back of the motor. As you can see, go to the rear, to the back, and to the front where is the L. That's the red one right there. Go to this brown wire with yellow stripe. As you can see right there, brown with yellow stripe. So that's the connection right there, guys. And I also want to show you the battery light fuse. So this one here, if you see the battery light on, this is the one that turn it off. So what happened, this was the fuse that got here blown, so the light was staying on even though I changed the alternator. So I make a bridge and check it, and notice that's the one that cut off the light. That's it right there, guys. So that's it for now, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.